1,000 subscribers! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're celebrating my 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. We're already 1,000 and counting. Yes, thank you so much for believing in me, for liking all my videos, for putting on comments, suggestions. I really appreciate those. And in today's video, because we're celebrating my 1,000 subscribers, I am going to share with you the tools and equipment that I use on all of my vlogs since the start of my vlogging journey. So before that, please don't forget to like this video. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's get ready. The main important variable for vlogging is of course the camera. And as a beginner, I feel like you do not need the best equipment to make a beautiful and pleasing video. I myself did not invest on a fancy vlogging camera. What I've been using since the start is my one and only smartphone, which is this. I cannot show you because I'm using it right now. It's my iPhone XS Max, and this is my one and only camera that I've been using since the start of my vlogging journey. One thing I've invested though is the software that I use for the post process, for editing my videos. And what I currently use is the Wondershare Filmora video editing software. I do have an annual subscription with them. And with this, I have access to all features like overlay filters, their music library, beautiful and animated text library, and of course, super cool elements and transitions. This Wondershare Filmora software is so easy to use. It's just a drag and drop interface. But if you want to up your editing game, they do have some advanced features that you can explore. You can download the software for free from their website at filmora.wondershare.net and transform your videos into a much more creative output. So with Filmora, you'll be able to find your creative side in terms of editing videos and making it more appealing. Just like myself, I not only enjoy filming videos, but I also do enjoy editing my own videos. And as you can, if you have observed, my videos have transitioned from just a simple cut and paste and just a simple text to a more, I feel like, more animated this time around, because I'm trying to explore the Filmora software, and I'm also trying to find out some other features, cool features that it has, so that it would improve the quality of my video. I want to make it more appealing to everyone, not only to my subscribers but to everyone who gets to watch my videos, because as also for those who have very short attention span, syempre, if you put on some animation, I guess my videos would be more appealing to watch, I believe. That's the wonders of editing your videos. So that's it. Yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. No, just kidding. So yeah, so those are the basic tools that I use. Obviously, you do not need to spend I don't know how much, just so you could get a beautiful video. All you need is the phone that you're currently using, the smartphone, and then use an editing software, and then voila, you can already create a beautiful video for your vlog. But of course, there are some other enhancements that I've acquired over the past months which I feel like would improve the quality of my videos. These are some of the equipment that I would recommend, but it's really not a necessity. Number one is I do have a GoPro Hero 5. It's everyone knows it's an action camera. So it is perfect for outdoor filming, and you would notice that the video is more stable compared to your normal smartphone whenever I'm using the GoPro action camera. But since I'm filming sit-down videos just like this, I just use my smartphone all the time, and GoPro cameras are really perfect for just filming outdoor videos. I've used it on some of my clips on my travel vlogs, just like the Boracay and the New York trip. So I've used my GoPro camera on some of my clips there. The next one is, of course, the ring light. I guess almost everyone has a ring light nowadays because it's being used not only for filming vlogs but also for doing Zoom meetings, taking pictures, doing TikTok videos, and almost everything related to social media. With ring light, it does help bring focus on the subject, just like sit down videos like this. And then of course, it adds lighting, perfect lighting to your videos. This is me without ring light. So as you can see, the video and myself is kind of dark. So with ring light, it automatically brightens the entire video, and mas pleasing siya to watch on your eye because you can see the subject, right? So the ring light that I own also serves as my tripod. So it's dual purpose for me, and it's also tipid na rin because I do not have to have a separate tripod. Having a ring light is not a necessity because we can all use natural lighting during daylight when we're filming, but in my case, I usually film during nighttime, and I feel like it's a small investment that you need for your vlogging journey. Next one is, again, the camera in your phone is pretty good and is capable of shooting 4K HD videos. But one of the challenges in getting professional results from your phone is camera movement. That is why I purchased this gimbal. It's a DJI Osmo 3 gimbal. This DJI Mobile 3 is tied together with a software called DJI Mimo app that you can download from Apple Store or Google Play. And from this software, this is where you'll be able to connect, calibrate, and control your gimbal. This one is very useful for me, especially for moving videos like travel videos and when I'm doing room tours and other videos that require movement, because my hand is really shaky when I'm filming my own videos alone without any equipment, just like this. So with this, you will be able to have quality videos because the output would not be shaky at all. So with this gimbal, the videos, especially the moving videos, are more stable compared to just yourself lang without using the gimbal, doing your videos on your own. And the last one is not an equipment, but it's another software that I use for editing my videos. Not only for editing my vlogs, but I also use it when I am posting Instagram and Instagram stories. This is the Canva software. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. This software includes templates for users to use, The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. So when you use Canva, it automatically brings you different types of templates and presets that you can use to, for myself, I use it for my thumbnails, my Instagram my Instagram stories. I also get some of my animated text and other elements from Canva, and then I just import it into the Wondershare Filmora software. Canva is so easy to use. If you do not like the presets and the templates, you can modify it and change the color, the text, and other elements that you would like to have in your designs. You can also use this to create logos for your businesses and other marketing infographics that you use for your business. There are a lot of free templates that you can use, but there are also those that you need to pay for. You can customize the design based on your preference, and almost everything is already there. You can also upload your own photo, your own music, and create a beautiful video or picture depending on your preference. And those are all the equipment, the tools, and the software that I use for editing, creating my vlogs. I hope you like it. For those who have been asking what I use to edit my videos, yes, I do use Filmora and Canva. So I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions, please do not hesitate to put a comment down below. Let me know if you have any other suggestions, any other videos you would like in the next coming vlogs. And again, thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching all my videos. Again, if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.